So let's talk about AWS Secrets Manager, which is a great service meant obviously for storing secrets. It could be passwords, API keys, and so on. But the cool thing about this service is that you can rotate your secrets automatically every X number of days. And these new secrets can be rotated on demand or automatically and generated automatically, for example, using a Lambda function. There is a native integration between RDS and Secrets Manager for all DB engines, but also Redshift, DocumentDB, and so on. And for other databases or services that you want to rotate automatically, you would have to write a custom Lambda function that would generate these secrets and then insert it into Secrets Manager. So here in this diagram, we have Secrets Manager, and it contains a secret. It's a database password, and it's actually the database password of our RDS database. So they're linked together and they will change together. Now, to control access to the secret, we can use a resource-based policy. And also, Secrets Manager is going to be integrated with so many other services that will automatically pull the secrets from Secrets Manager. So we have CloudFormation, so you can reference Secrets Manager secrets in the CloudFormation template, but also CodeBuild, ECS for your environment variables, and I will not name them all, but EMR, Fargate, EKS, Parameter Store, and so on. So in this example, I represented an ECS task. And as you can see, this ECS task will need to access your RDS database. So how will it do it? Well, because we have a native integration between ECS and Secrets Manager, what can happen is that at boot time, your ECS task can automatically pull your secrets and inject it as an environment variable within your task. And therefore, because it's available as an environment variable, then your ECS task, whatever software is running within it, can access your RDS database securely. Okay, so this is the kind of template that would create a secret with Secrets Manager within CloudFormation. And so in the first part, we generate the secrets, okay? Then in the second part, we're going to reference the secrets in your RDS DB instance. And then in the third part, we create what's called a secrets attachment, which is going to link the secrets to the RDS DB instance. And this is going to tell Secrets Manager that in case of rotation, you need to also change the password in your RDS database itself. So you need to know the process to share secrets across accounts in Secrets Manager. So you have a security account where your secret is going to be and a developer account that needs to use that secret. So we have a Secret Manager secret, it's in our account, and of course it's protected and encrypted through a KMS key. Now, how do we make a user in the dev account access our secret? So there is no way to share that secret using Resource Access Manager, so you can forget about it. Instead, we can access and we can attach resource-based policies to our secrets. So the first thing to do, though, is to allow the user to do a KMS decrypt on our KMS key by attaching a KMS policy to our KMS key. And on top of it, you see there will be a condition in it, the KMS via service, which allows to use the KMS decrypt operation only if it's invoked via, so through the service Secrets Manager. So it's a little bit of a tricky condition here. And then we create a resource-based policy on our Secrets Manager secret, which is similar, for example, to an S3 bucket policy. And we allow from the resource-based policy a user or an IAM role or whatever you want in the developer account to do a get secret value on our secrets. And with these two permissions, anyone authorized in a dev account to access our secret can access it and can decrypt it because it has access both to the secret thanks to resource-based policy, as well as the key thanks to a KMS policy. Okay, so you can ask me, what's the difference between Parameter Store and Secrets Manager? Well, Secrets Manager is more expensive, but you get automated rotation of secrets with Lambda. The Lambda function is automatically provided for you with RDS, Redshift, and DocumentDB. That's why it's automatic. Then, of course, you need to encrypt your secrets with KMS. It's mandatory. And it has deep integration with CloudFormation. So with the SSM Parameter Store, it's a more simple API. There is no secret rotation, although we'll see in the next slide how you can actually create some kind of rotation mechanism using EventBridge and Lambda. KMS encryption is optional. That means that you can also store non-secret values in the Parameter Store. There is deep integration with CloudFormation, and there is a little trick to pull Secrets Manager secret directly using the Parameter Store API. So in terms of rotation, if you look at Secrets Manager, there is, for example, deep integration with RDS And the way it works that in the backend, a Lambda function is going to be invoked every 30 days. It's going to change the password onto Amazon RDS and also change the passwords in Secrets Manager. Whereas if you use the SSM parameter store, say you had your RDS secret into the parameter store, well, you would need to create an Amazon Event Bridge rule to invoke a Lambda function every 30 days that would change the password and change the value. But it's up to you to maintain this kind of integration, whereas it's provided by Secrets Manager automatically as a rotation feature. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.